Students, many students message me asking about how to make the research proposal or how to find relevant information for their PhD work, or you can say research paper. As this is the age of technology, plenty of information is available on the internet, and if you work a little, you can come up with your own research proposal or even research paper in just 1 week, in just 3 to 4 days. So in this video we will look at 5 sources that will help you write research proposal or research paper. But before beginning this video, if you are one of those students who are preparing for UGC NET examination or GATE examination in English literature, then you can simply check out our study material on the official website limitlessliterature.com. Check the link in the description below to know more about it. Now without any further delay, let's begin this video. The first source in our list is Shodhganga. Yes, it is a platform where students deposit their PhD theses and make them available to everyone on internet. Every month from all over India, about 3,000 to 5,000 students from different subjects submit their PhD thesis. Now what you all have to do is that you have to steal the research work like an artist. Yes, as we know that text cannot be written in a vacuum. All text is intertextual. One text is made from another text. And moreover, as Pablo Picasso once said, good artists copy and great artists steal. So look at the researches done by others and make the content your own, borrowing the content from here and there, making it your own in your own research paper and research proposal. Shodhganga is the very best source from where you can hunt the topics and start preparing your research proposal. The second source in our list is the website Jstor.org. I have personally used this website while working on my own research papers 2-3 years back when I was teaching at the university. The website has been created to provide you with the latest research papers on your chosen topic. All you have to do is to search for your topic and then you can start reading these papers. I too personally have 4 to 5 research papers published in my academic career, and the website Jstor has helped me a lot as it has around 12 million journal articles and books. The user experience is also smooth and it is very easy for you to navigate through the website. Now let's talk about our third source, which is the website Researchgate.net. The best thing about this website is that if any university in India conducts seminar, conference, particularly in English literature, you can come to know about it from this particular website. Simply search on Google Researchgate English Literature. You will have the results and click on the first link that has the heading Seminars, Conferences and Workshops in English Language. Now you can learn more about what all are the universities are conducting webinars and workshops. Many times journals also publish call for papers when they require research papers from students and scholars. This is the best platform for literature students to find seminar, conferences and other opportunities to publish the research paper. You can also use it to find recent areas of research for your PhD proposal. Now let's talk about the fourth best source that will help you find the research topic for your PhD, and that is the university's official website. Many universities publish the research papers and topics that are open for the students to pick from. You have to visit the official websites of different universities like Delhi University, JNU, IITs, you can say IIT Indore, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur. Then you have to look for the admission section and check if they have provided the list of research areas or not. Let's take an example of IIT Kanpur. Visit the official website of IIT Kanpur, and here you will find a lot of departments: chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering. Here we have the department of humanities and social sciences. Click this and we can see we have a section: home, about us, academics, people, facilities, research, disciplines, etc. Click on the research tab, click on English, and you will find all the research areas that you can choose from. You see, we have a complete list of research areas here. This is a great way to generate ideas. You can pick the topic you are interested or you are curious, so that you can simply check out the websites. This is just an example. Other universities even mention the research topic and all other details for the students to start with. Alright, so let's come on to the last source that is going to make your journey of writing research paper and proposal very easy. And these are nothing but AI tools and softwares. Gone are the days of writer's block. You don't have to keep on looking at the blank page and wait for many days to start writing your research paper. The content writing industry is booming for the last 2-3 years, and we have a lot of artificial intelligence tools that make the work easier. You can simply Google AI tools for content writing and you will have the list. Do your research work and subscribe to any tool you like the most. You can also subscribe to other softwares like Grammarly or HemingwayApp.com. These are also helpful in making your research paper or any type of content in a perfect way. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates on English literature. That's it for this video. Thank you.